Focusing on you. Innovations in modern medicine. From your team of experts at UHealth, the University of Miami Health System.
Leo Gordon is thrilled to be alive and healthy after undergoing surgery to repair a fatal heart condition that went undiscovered for decades.
I was making a scene in ICU, just screaming that I was happy.
He had a calcified valve. He had an aneurysm, which is a sac of the aorta. Aneurysms are known to rupture or tear on the inside, and they become a fatal problem.
UHealth Chief of Cardiac Surgery, Dr. Joseph Lamelas, used the minimally invasive technique he developed to replace the aortic valve and ascending aorta in Leo's heart without opening up his chest.
And this approach is not touching the sternum at all. It's a 5-centimeter incision between the ribs, and I've performed over 500 cases, and I've published my results with this particular operation.
He's the only guy that would even attempt it, and he did it.
One of the biggest benefits of minimally invasive heart surgery is the quick recovery time. For Leo, this meant getting back to work as the head of his family's plumbing business less than 2 weeks after leaving the hospital.
And by him not doing this and doing this, I got right back to work.
Now his heart is able to pump properly and pump enough blood to the brain and to the rest of the body, and his quality of life will definitely improve because he's getting more blood to every organ in his body.
I'm more awake now, 63, than even 20 years ago.
My biggest reward is seeing the patient in the postoperative period. The gratification that I get is incredible. This is why I do what I do.